All right. How many of you guys have an Alexa? That's the number one. Do you have an Alexa in your home? Do you have one of those? I don't think you guys are going to be happy with this because Amazon Alexa says they want to start charging you for Alexa to help you. Amazon is reportedly working on a major overhaul of Alexa that would include AI and involve a premium cost. Yeah, they want to charge y'all for it. All right. Amazon wants to charge you about $5 to $10 a month to access a premium version of the Alexa voice assistant. And they want to revamp the whole platform because they're not making money. And they're saying it's not the first time the idea has been made public, but they said that they want to release a paid subscription version of Alexa in June that has not happened yet. So this is what they want to do. They just haven't been able to do it. Now they're saying that generative AI offers a huge opportunity. They said we have already integrated generative AI into different components of Alexa and are working hard on implementation at scale. So they're saying that Amazon has been struggling to make money with Alexa. And basically, they're saying that about 500 million Alexa powered devices, such as the Echo Dot and the Show screens and speakers, have been sold around the world, but the technology hasn't made a profit for the company since it was introduced back in 2014. Now, they're saying Amazon is just trying their best to just make some new revenue. You sell the device, but then now it's a one-off. So now the company is saying, yeah, we sold it to you, gave you all these great deals, but how do we make money off of this? And they're trying to find creative ways to do this by adding ChatGPT. Basically, a new version of Siri that would include Apple intelligent features later this year. So they're saying the big push on building a better Alexa comes after Amazon eliminated several hundred jobs in the division late last year. So they literally laid off all these people, and now they're trying to make some money off of the device. That sounds like karma, don't you think? As a part of the new generation of Alexa, Amazon is pushing to complete a remarkable Alexa tier by August. So they're saying that the current Alexa service would be replaced by the new AI-powered platform, and a more powerful AI piece of software would be made available for more complex queries for a monthly fee. Now, how more complex can it be outside of ChatGPT or Claude or any of these other AI services? What could you actually do outside of place the order for me and have it delivered to my house? I don't know. I'm going to let you tell me your thoughts on the Amazon Alexa fees. What do you think of the Amazon Alexa fees? Are you feeling this or no? On your phone, let me know. 1, I can understand, so no gripes from me. 2, why would I pay and I can use AI to do the same thing? 3, all these companies are trying to squeeze money out of us. Or 4, I won't be paying it. 1, 2, 3, or 4. Let us know in the comments, what do you think of Amazon Alexa and them trying to make money? It's the Lab Tech Show. Join us Wednesdays at 8 p.m. Eastern at thelabtechshow.com. Embrace it or get left behind.
Alrighty then.